Here's a new YouTube update. Have you received a notification saying your channel's monetization has been denied or removed? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today we'll dive deep into what this means, why it happens, and how you can fix it. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll have actionable steps to reclaim your channel's monetization and stay on the right track. So, what exactly is reused content? YouTube defines it as videos that are not clearly original to your channel. These might be repurposed from other sources without significant changes or added value. For example, uploading compilations of popular memes or scenes from TV shows without commentary could flag your channel. To monetize, your videos must offer something unique, be it education, entertainment, or commentary. Reused content violates YouTube's monetization policies because the platform is designed to reward creativity and originality. By uploading content that doesn't add significant value, your channel risks copyright violations and devalues the overall viewer experience. YouTube wants to showcase videos that educate, entertain, or inspire, not those that recycle existing content without meaningful changes. When YouTube reviews your channel for monetization, it's not just individual videos they check. Reviewers assess the main theme of your channel, your most viewed videos, where the majority of your watch time comes from, and your metadata, like titles and thumbnails. They look for originality across all these areas. If even one part of your channel seems non-compliant, it can affect your monetization status. Let's focus on how to fix these issues. Add meaningful commentary or voiceovers to any existing clips. For example, if you upload sports highlights, explain what's happening, and add your unique insights. Focus on creating original content that reflects your personality and brand. If you use clips from other sources, make sure to remix them creatively. Add transitions, edits, or storytelling elements. Update your metadata. This includes rewriting titles, thumbnails, and descriptions to show the original value your video brings to viewers. Here's a quick guide to what's allowed and what isn't. Do create original commentary, thoughtful reactions, or edited footage with a clear storyline. Don't upload unedited compilations, repetitive content, or anything that lacks originality. By sticking to these guidelines, you'll ensure that your channel aligns with YouTube's policies. If your monetization has been denied, don't panic. You can fix it. Once you've made the necessary changes to your channel, you can appeal YouTube's decision, update your channel with original, high-quality videos, and resubmit it for review. Remember, this process may take a few weeks, so be patient and keep creating valuable content in the meantime. Monetizing on YouTube takes effort, but the rewards are worth it. By focusing on originality and aligning with YouTube's guidelines, you can ensure a successful, sustainable channel. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more tips on growing your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and good luck.